Hi, my name is Danny Hahn. I am a middle school math teacher here at ICS. I grew up in Southern California near Los Angeles. Went out to college in Pennsylvania at the University of Pennsylvania. I graduated with an undergraduate degree in chemical engineering, but then I stumbled into teaching and absolutely fell in love with it. So I ended up going back and getting my master's degree and teaching certification again from University of Pennsylvania. And I've been teaching a total of 15 years, some of it in Pennsylvania, and then more recently I taught 10 years in the Bay Area of California near San Francisco. I am passionate about youth and working with kids. I just feel like it's such an exciting time of life. There's like adolescence and teenage years where they're still trying to figure themselves out and they're not fully formed yet, but you can really see their strengths coming through, and kids are still learning about themselves and learning about each other. And I feel like it's just such a pivotal time. It can be a really treacherous time and it can be a really scary time. So I just really like working with kids through that age and try to navigate through their high school years, middle school and high school years. I really think for math, it's important for kids to not just see math as there's only one way to do things and there's a right answer and a wrong answer. But really math is the study of patterns. And it's kind of just a logic game where you have a set of restrictions and a set of rules and you're able to kind of find patterns within it and recognize how concepts are related to each other. I'm really a big fan of doing deep problems where there's multiple entry points, and the kids, even though they're all different ability levels, they're all able to engage with the problem at wherever they are and grow a little bit through it. I'm also a big fan of growth mindset, that kids learn the best when they're making mistakes. And so one thing that I'm really, that's important to me is that the classroom is a place where kids can feel okay with being wrong, and then they can be okay with making mistakes. And we can celebrate mistakes as opportunities for learning and for growth. I think it really just comes down to being interested and involved. And if parents can, through their questions and through the time that they spend and the conversations that they have with their kids, can communicate to them, hey, I'm interested in what you're learning. Hey, that's really cool that you picked that up in school. Even just asking them things about their friends and relationships and extracurricular activities. I think if kids can feel that their parents are on their side and that they're supporting them through this educational journey, then that just serves so well for the kids in terms of their forward progress. I think it's really important for kids to recognize that all of the trusted adults in their lives are on the same team. That as teachers, we're supporting what they're doing at home, and as parents, they're supporting what we're doing in the classroom, and that we're all kind of on the kids' side to help them to grow as much as they can, and that we love them, and that we want to protect them, and we really want what's best for them.